Hi students, now I am going to teach a topic of introduction to electrical measurements. So let's start the topic. Electrical instruments are two types. Absolute instruments, so they give indirect reading, and secondary instruments, they give direct reading. Now let's see what is absolute instruments. These instruments gives the magnitude of the quantity under measurement in terms of physical constant of the instrument. Means they don't give direct value. So some empirical formulas will be there, and what the value you got, you should substitute in that empirical formula, then only you will get what you require. But they are very accurate. Used in research laboratories. Example, tangent galvanometer, Rayleigh current balance. Now let's come to secondary instruments. Indicating instruments, next is of integrating instruments and recording type instruments. Okay, now there are three types of secondary instruments. Then next, indicating instruments require what? Only live values of the quantity to be measured. Okay, now indicating type instruments indicates live value of the quantity to be measured. Indicates only live values of the quantity to be measured. So scale and pointer mechanism are involved. Scale and pointer mechanism are involved. So now let's come for integrating instruments. In integrating instruments, in this AM is what? Measured value is added to previous value. By this indicates total energy consumed over a period of time. Example, energy meter or kilowatt hour meter, ampere hour meter. Means what is the meaning of it is, so they will take a particular time. Example, they will take 1 month now. They will take 1 month of time period. So this particular time multiplied by power consumed will gives you energy bill. Okay, now. So that is what I am speaking here. In this, measured value is added to previous value. By this indicates total energy consumed over a period of time. Example, energy meter or kilowatt hour meter, ampere hour meter. Then let's come for recording type instruments. These instruments record the value to be measured over a graph. Example, recording voltmeter, recording wattmeter, ECG, electrocardiogram. Whenever you go to any hospital and all, the heart pulse and all, what they will use here, they are all recording instruments. So you will get on a graph paper. So then next, how you have your effect and instruments. What effect is required? And these particular effects are used by these instruments. These particular effects, magnetic effect, induction effect. So these particular effects are used by these particular meters. They are ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, integrating meters. Induction effect. AC ammeters, comma, voltmeters, comma, energy meters. Then next, heating effect, ammeters, comma, voltmeters, comma, watt meters. Then next, electrostatic effect, voltmeter, Hall effect, fluxmeter, comma, ammeters, comma, Poynting vector wattmeter. Among all, examination point of view, this is very, very important. This Hall effect, based on this Hall effect, this is very, very important, asked in many exams for your competitive exams. Okay, now. So Hall effect, fluxmeter, comma, ammeters, comma, Poynting vector wattmeter is very, very important. Thanking you.